Morning children, today in this class we are going to study about the 12th exercise word problems. Okay. So in the word problems, third question follow 3825 centimeters of ribbon is cut into pieces, each 45 centimeters long. How many pieces can be cut? How much ribbon will be left over? That is the problem. In this problem, okay, what is given? You write first. What is given? How much ribbon is taken? 3825 centimeters of ribbon. Okay, very in the beginning, how much length of ribbon is there? 3825 centimeters of ribbon. So, here what we write here? Total length of ribbon taken. Total length of ribbon. Total length of ribbon taken in the beginning. In beginning. In beginning, total length of ribbon taken. How much length of ribbon taken? 3825 centimeters of ribbon. Okay, in the beginning. Total length of ribbon taken. Okay, for cutting. That point also we can mention. Total length of ribbon taken for cutting in beginning. What is the length? 3825 centimeters. Okay, now they are cutting into pieces. That big ribbon is cut into some pieces. Length of each piece how much here? 45 centimeters. Length of each piece. Length of each piece how much? 45 centimeters, right? Okay, children. Now, how many ribbon pieces will be? How many pieces we can get? And how much ribbon will be left over? So, in this problem, there are two questions. How many pieces we can get and how much ribbon will be left over? How can we find the number of pieces? Just by division. Okay, that means we see how many 45s are there in 3825. How many 45s are there in 3825? To know that, we divide that total length of the ribbon with the 45. Okay, then by division, you can find how many pieces can be cut. How many pieces can be? So, number of pieces can be cut is equal to number of pieces can be cut is equal to 3825 divided by 45. So show the division mark in the margin. 3825. It is to be divided by 40. Okay, children. Now you see here we are dividing with a two-digit number. So you select two digits in the dividend. That means 38. But 38 is less number than 45. 38 is less number than 40. That's why This is not possible. That's why you select 382. Select 382. In 382, 45 how many times? 45 how many times? Let us try 8 times 45. 8 are how much you see? 45 into 8. Okay. 45 into 8 how much you see? 8 5s are 40. 0 4 is there. 8 4s are 32 plus 4 36. 360. 360. It is nearer to that number. Nearer to that number. If we select 45 into 9 times means you can get more number. That's why 9 times not possible. 9 5s are 45. 4 is there. 9 4s are 36 plus 4 40. 405. You are getting big number. That's why how many times you have to select? Only 8 times. Write 8 times here. 45 8s are 360. Okay now? 360 right. Subtract. Then 2 minus 0 2. 8 minus 6 2. 22 remainder. Now from the dividend, bring down 5. Bring down 5. Now 225. Here bring down. Add on 225. Now you see 45 how many times in 225. Okay. In the margin you can check. So here 45 how many times you see? Suppose if you take 5 times means 5 5s are 25. 2 is there. 5 4s are 20 plus 2 20. 225 exact. 45 5 times I tried. 45 5 times. 45 5 times. 5 5s are 25. 5 2 5 5 4 5 4s are 20 plus 2 20. Exactly 225. So 5 times exactly. 5 times exactly. 45 into 5 220. Exactly divisible. Exactly divisible means leaving the remainder 0. In the exactly divisible, we get 0 as the remainder. That means 45, 85 are 3825. 45, 85, 85, 45. 3825. That's why here what do we say? The number is exactly divisible by 45. Exactly divisible by 45. Okay, students. So 85 times, how many times? That is equal to 85. How many pieces we can get? 85 pieces. Here no remainder. Here remainder is 0. Remainder is 0. So how much ripple will be left over? No. Okay. There is no leftover ripple. Okay, there is no ripple left over. There is no ripple left over. Why? Because here in this division we got remainder 0. Why means since this is the symbol of since remainder is 0. Since remainder is 0. Remainder is 0. That's why here there is no ripple left over. Okay, children. So here, first of all, you after reading the problem, how much of ripple is taken? and okay, after cutting, so here length of each ribbon piece, how much you see. So to know that how many pieces we can get means we divide that total ribbon length with 45, then you can get total number of pieces okay can be cut. 85. Here exactly divisible, remainder 0. So we can say 85 pieces and no ribbon left over. Why? Because remainder is 0. Remainder is 0 in this division work. In this division. Okay. Next we come to 6%. A train carried 9,888 passengers in 12 coaches. How many passengers were there in each coach? That is the problem. Okay, children. How many passengers were carried by train? How many passengers carried by train? How many passengers? 9,888. That we write first year. So here, solution that. Number of passengers to be carried. Okay, number of passengers. Number of passengers are to be carried. Number of passengers are to be carried. Are to be carried in a train. In a how many passengers are to be carried in a train? 9,880. 9,880. How many coaches? In how many coaches they have to adjust? So 12 coaches. Number of coaches. Here what we write? Number of coaches. Number of coaches. Number of coaches is equal to how many coaches? 12 coaches. In 12 coaches, we have to adjust all these passengers. We have to adjust in how many coaches? 12 coaches. In 12 coaches, we have to adjust. Now, how many passengers were there in each coach? So, number of passengers in each coach. In each coach. So, to know that number of passengers in each coach, we divide that number with 12. So, 9,888 divided by 12. So, we show the division work. Okay, sir. Show the division work. 9,888. Here 9,888 divided by 12. 8 12s are 90. You know that multiplication table. 8 12s are 96. 9 12s are 108. This is big. This is a bigger number. That's why you said 8 times. 8 times alphabet. 12 8s are 96. 12 8s are 96. Remainder is 2. Now bring down 8. Now see how many times. 12 2 times. 12 2s are 24. 12 2s are 24. What is the remainder here? 4. Now bring down the last number. 8 you take. Now read the 12 table. How many times in multiplication table of 12 if you read, then how many times 12 fours are 48. So we say that 4 times. 12 fours are 48. Okay, children? 12 fours are 40. 0. So 824 passengers. Okay. In each coach, how many passengers? Number of passengers in each coach? 824. So here you write 824 passengers. Here no passengers will be left. Why? Because here exactly divisible. This is exactly divisible. That's why no passengers will be left over. All the passengers were adjusted into 12 coaches. In 824 coaches, all the passengers were adjusted into 12 coaches. In each coach, passengers are equal. In each coach, how many passengers? 824 passengers. How many coaches? 12 coaches. So, if you want to check your answer, multiply 824, here check. Multiply 824 with 12. You see children here? 12 fours are 48. 4 is there. Okay, 48 no, 8 we write here. 4 is there. 12 twos are 24 plus 4, 28. 8 2 is there. 8 twelves are 96 plus 2, 90. 9,888. So this is the work for checking. If you want to check your answer, you multiply number of coaches and number of passengers in each coach. Okay. If you want to check your answer, multiply the number of coaches and number of passengers in each coach. Then you can get the starting that very in the beginning how many coaches are, how many passengers are to be registered here, 9,888. That number is important. This is the solution for this sixth problem. Okay, children. Now come to estimation.